did you come across Voltmax?
Very simply, there was our neighbor who suggested that. And so we just called them and we had the first contacts. And then we proceeded with the order and with the installation.
Okay, so like your neighbor convinced you, yeah?
Correct.
What did you like most about working with us?
Well, the first contacts were very positive. We had a very nice discussion here, and we agreed quite soon about the installation. And then when we got the information that the timing was there and that they were coming to install, we were very happy to arrange it. And then it happened very quickly. We thought it was done very professionally and in a way that we were very satisfied.
So like quality and the time, you mean, like the most
Correct,
important.
yes. The quality was very good and the timing was excellent. Yes.
That's perfect. Okay, so tell me, have you noticed a difference in your bills?
No. Because the installation was made about 2 weeks ago, so we did not have a bill yet. From what we understand, reading our results in the app, it might be significantly different, but we don't have a proof.
Okay, so we have to wait for that question. Okay, that's all right. So tell me, like you had a contact with our team, Voltmax team, so how do you rate our contact with us?
Very good, very good. I could say excellent.
Oh yeah, okay.
Even if sometimes it had to be in Polish.
So you could practice Polish a little bit.
I could practice Polish. It doesn't go much farther than Dzień dobry,
but you know Dzień dobry is already
okay.
good.
It was okay.
So you managed to do everything.
Yes.
But there is no any barrier, like language barrier or anything. Like you managed to do everything that you wanted to do, yeah?
Correct, yes.
Okay, that's so nice. Okay, what would you say to your neighbor who is considering photovoltaics?
If I would recommend it, of course I would, yes.
So why? Tell me.
I don't know. Our neighbors, they all have photovoltaic in the meantime, so it is not a real case. But I would recommend it because of the reasons that I said before, that they were they showed competence and they showed also a very polite and friendly behavior.
Okay, that's so nice. Okay, and tell me, do you remember the installation day?
Yes.
What was it like? Did anything surprise you during this day?
Yes, we got a telephone call that they were coming in about 1 hour, and in 5 minutes they were there. So it happened very quickly. They started working almost immediately, and they made the first day the preparations and the second day the installation, and it was done in a way that we didn't do anything ourselves. We didn't need to intervene in any point. And everything was okay at the end. So only in 1.5 days things were installed. Okay,
so that's very quickly, I guess.
It was, yes.
So today, how do you feel with the installation? Do you feel proud of it?
Well,
what do you think about that?
I can't say I feel proud, but I think we are quite satisfied that we have done it. And we believe that it will be a positive effect both financially and also as an environmental contribution.
Yeah.
We had our contacts with Artur, and Artur was fine. And he was always available, and even if I had to call him to say that I want to have something explained in Polish, it was a non-issue. That was very easy. So it was, we smile about this, it was not a problem.
Okay, so that's a good one. That's good to hear.
And also, when I called in the office once, Christian on the telephone, that was also fine. It was immediately taken care of.
Okay. Yes, last question. Did you feel taken care of throughout the process?
Yes, definitely. whenever we had a question or we thought that we had a problem, we had a contact, it was resolved quasi immediately.
Okay, that's very, very good to hear. And I'm very happy that we could help you, I guess.
Yes, I hope that things will develop the way they seem to develop.
Yeah, I think they will. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.